unboxing guys. The code is MPR 4100 PT, 40 amp each, para sa high frequency power supply. Dari ang stock nga Scotch diode is gamay lang. Declared this 100 ampere 12 volts, pero kini siya ako nang ilisan og 40 amp each. Sa king ani 40 amp, so duha 80 amp. That's my next video. So guys, mao ni ako ang high frequency power supply nga naguba after 5 hours charging sa LiPo4 battery 12 volts 100 Ah. So upon checking, ang transistor naguba, ang duha gigabok, ug ang code sa transistor is E1309A. This transistor can handle up to 700 volts and the maximum ampere is 12 amps. Connected into parallel, 12 amps times 2 equivalent to 24 amps. O ang Scotty diode also naguba, which is the maximum ampere is 10 amp. Duha ka buok connected into parallel, so 20 amp, pero ang manufacturer or seller declared this into 100 amp. So it's totally scam. Pwede siya ma-upgrade. Kaya akong plano i-upgrade, ni palit ko og diode nga MBR 4100 PT. This Scotty diode can handle max 100 volts below and 40 amps. So duha ka buok connected into parallel and total of 80 amps. Ang transistor po akong ipuli, parehas ra niya. Ug ang code ni sa transistor is D1309A. This is NPN and fast switching transistor. Balik duha ka buok, 12 amp each, so in total of 24 amp. To double check kung guba bagid ni ang transistor, so based on the board, this is base, collector, and emitter. So this is base, collector, and emitter, and base, collector, and emitter. Check na to na by reading. Zero reading, zero reading, zero, zero. Guba agad siya. Zero reading, zero reading, zero reading, zero reading. Wala agad siya. So arita sa bago. Sa reading sa positive. Sa reading sa collector or base collector, negative, positive, negative na siya reading. Positive, negative na reading. Kining bagong Scotty diode ang siya reading. Reading. In my next video, I will discuss this high frequency power supply after I fix this. And if you have any tips on how I fix this, can you please comment to the comment section box. It's a big help for me so that I could easily figure out the faulty circuit. Thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.